Welcome to my channel, Knowledge Spread by Sir Boots. And today in this vlog, we are going to discuss about the future and present values of simple annuity. Okay, let's go to some definition first. We will define annuity, a sequence of payments made at equal or fixed interval or periods of time. We have simple annuity, the annuity where the payment interval is the same as the interest period. We have also the term of payment, T, the time between the first payment interval and the last payment interval. So we have um, regular, regular or periodic payment. The amount of its regular or periodic payment. The amount so that we can see the amount of its payment. The amount or future value of an annuity F is the sum of all future values of all payments to be made during the entire term of the annuity. Okay, so the formula for the simple annuity is given as F equals R times the quantity of 1 plus J raised to N minus 1 over J, where F equals the future value, R equals regular payment, and N is MT. This N is equal to MT, where M is the frequency of conversion in 1 year and T is the time. Okay, so M is equals to the frequency of conversion in a year, T the number of years, and J the rate per conversion period. This is equal to the nominal rate IM over M. Okay, this is the nominal rate or annual rate. Okay, I to the M. For example, the couple saves 3,500 pesos monthly for 5 years in a fund that offers 5.6% compounded monthly. Find the present and future values of their savings. Okay. So, using the, collecting the data, the given are R or periodic payment equals 3,500. The nominal rate or annual rate is equals to 5.6% or 0.056. Always it is very important to convert percent to decimal because we are not going to use the percent on computation but decimal. And the M, which is the frequency of conversion in a year, equals 12 because it is the periodic payment is monthly, and T is equals to 5 years. We also need to get first the J so that it will be easy for us to compute and use the value of J in the formula. J is equals to IM over M, or 0.056 over 12. That is equal to 0.0046667. In order to have a lesser disparity due to decimal rounding off, we should use 7 decimals, because if there are many decimals, use 7 decimals rounded off. And since our j is equals to 0.0046667, our 1 plus j is equal to 1.0046667. Okay. Our n equals mt. M is equals to 12 and t is 5 years. So that is equal to 12 times 5 is 60. And to get the future value, we will substitute all the values of r, j, and to the formula f is equal to r times the quantity 1 plus j raised to n minus 1 over j. So we have 3,500 times 1.004667 raised to 60 minus 1 all over the j, which is 0.004667. Using the calculator, we get the what is this? The present value and the future value f, that is equal to 241,701.49 pesos. That is the future value. And so we also get the present value. The present value, in getting the present value, we will use the formula P is equals to R times the quantity 1 plus j raised to negative n. There is no more minus 1. There is no more minus 1 here. Okay, R times 1 plus j raised to negative n over j. Okay. So again, collect the given data. The R, or periodic payment, is 3,500. IM equals, or nominal rate or annual rate, is 5.6%. And we are not going to use the percent but the decimal, so we'll convert the percent into decimal. 5.6 is equal to 0.056 in decimal. 5.6% is equal to 0.056 in decimal. M again is 12, T is 5 years, then N equals MT, or 12 times 5 equals 60. So we need to get the J, and J again is equal to 0.004667. Again, we use this 7 decimals rounded off in order that we will have a less very negligible disparity due to rounding off of decimals. So our P is equal to R times there is 1 here, 1 minus, okay, our P is equals to 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus j raised to negative n over j. Okay, we are using here the same formula. So P is equals to, or present value is equals to R times 1 minus the quantity 1 plus j raised to negative n over j. So substitute the values of these variables in the formula. We have 3,500 times 1 minus the 1 plus j, which is 1.00466667 raised to negative 60 over j, which is 0.00466667. We have the value for P, or present value, which is 182,792.71 pesos. Okay, so this is pesos. We'll insert the symbol of pesos. Okay, so there is pesos already. Okay, next, we'll solve also the present and future values of the general annuity. The difference between the simple annuity and general annuity is that in simple annuity, the compounding period is the same as the payment interval.